You can lose weight, stay fit and feel great without starving yourself simply by using a meal replacement therapy, and that is Edmark MRT. The most frequent problem in chronic dieting is the mental anguish, which would eventually lead to eating disorders such as bingeing, purging and self-starvation. This results in nutrient deficiencies, with bodily functions of these individuals gradually deteriorating, even to a point where it can be fatal. Edmark MRT or meal replacement therapy is a program set to replace your normal meal with a delicious, low-calorie and highly soluble nutritional drink. It contains the complete and adequate amount of vitamins, proteins and energy-releasing amino acids that can help you reduce weight safely, fast and effectively while avoiding the hunger pangs often associated with dieting. How does Edmark MRT complex work? As a result of the controlled amount of carbohydrates taken in over a few days, the body would experience a shortage of glucose, which is the most desirable fuel in the body. This will cause our body to turn to glycogen stores for energy. Once these stores deplete, it will start to seek alternative fuel. Edmark MRT complex contains moderate carbohydrates and protein, which helps protect lean muscle from being metabolized into energy. After depleting glycogen stores, our body will turn to fat stores for emergency supplies and convert these fats to free fatty acids, which are smaller fat molecules. Our liver will then convert them to ketones. Ketones are a normal and efficient source of fuel and energy for the human body. Ketosis tends to accelerate fat loss. Once the liver converts fat to ketones, it cannot be converted back to fat, so it is excreted. If you wish to buy this product or you want more information about this product and more on healthy living and natural products, please call +233 57 88 41 328 or WhatsApp these numbers +233 20 441 4480 or +233 55 77 39 361, or just send us a message on Messenger and comment below your request. You can also follow us on Facebook at Ultimate Healthy Lifestyle, on Instagram at Ultimate Healthy Lifestyle, or on YouTube at Ultimate Healthy Lifestyle. This is a program that is designed for people who wish to embark on a safe and long-term weight loss and maintenance program.